sailoring. Ain't got no.
All right, hello YouTube. So today what we got, I've got a Cub Cadet LT 1045, and it shut off while I was cutting the grass. No sputter, no spit, just straight died. And so didn't really know what it was, and I knew it had fuel and everything else, but I'm going to show you what I ran into. It turned out to be a fuse. So I'm going to show you where that fuse is. All right, so if you open up your hood, this is going to be on the same side as your brake. And so it's the right side if you're sitting on the mower. But mine's going to look a little different because I had to cut mine off. So there, you're going to come right here, and there's going to be a box, two little boxes. All right, we had a car to go by. But there's going to be two little boxes. One of them is going to have a little piece that goes right in through these holes. And so it's not this box. This is a fuse of some sort. But like I said, they were covered in tape. At this other box where this wire nut is here, there was a box that was sitting there, and the fuse was burnt up. It was all melted. I'm gonna put those pictures up right now.
Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no. Trailer for sailoring. Give man a mean.
All right, so there's not a whole lot I could do with it. I mean, it was melted off inside there. The bottom of the wires were melted. So I got the two wires and I just cut them in two. And then let me just take this wire nut off. So there we go. So I cut the rubber off of the wires, and then I put this wire nut on there. And all right, but like I was saying, so I just cut the wire, because we can always put another inline fuse in, but right now I got to cut grass. And so and I was basically just troubleshooting, trying to figure out what it could be. And since it didn't look anything like a fuse, I would have never thought to try to put a fuse there. Luckily, I ran across another YouTube video that helped me out a lot. And so so I hope it helps. But like I was saying, just cut the wire, because before that I wouldn't get anything, not a click. The headlights wouldn't come on. It was just completely dead. And so we had the parking brake on. I done everything that I could think of for the reason why it wouldn't start. I knew the battery was good. But I hope it helps. If it doesn't, write something in the comments, and we'll see if we can't get you straightened out. All right, have a good one.